What's up, guys? I just wanted to go over this Whalen Speed 170 kit that I got. Consists of Dynojet Tuner, Whalen's own Dynojet Tune, his cold air intake, and his catch can here. Just wanted to show you guys some of this stuff and some of the stuff it can do, whatever. This catch can, pretty simple. You just take the factory hose. This is the high mount mud kit, so it's up top where it should stay pretty clean. You just gotta take this factory hose right here. I ran mine over to the frame right here, and then the hose runs up. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. A little flashlight. The hose runs on the inside right up through the shock mount. No big deal. As for the cold air intake, I built this wall out of Kydex that goes around the intake right here. It's solid, goes around this side. So this is the side that always gets all the crap from the wheel well, comes up right through here and gets into your filter. So, I mean, it was super simple to build, and I got like nothing in it. Just a little 90 bracket here, and you know, a bolt. There's a bolt up here. Yeah, right there. Bolt over there. Super simple, and it keeps it really clean. I took it out and drove it in the rain, mud, whatever. This is where everything comes up in the machine. It comes up in to the air filter. You guys see that blue dot? That's that gasket on top of that Kydex that I built below it. So it keeps all that crap out. And then when you put this lid down on, when you put the lid down on, this is the wheel well side. That rubber gasket seals right along here. So none of that crap comes in. It's basically drawing all of its air from the intercooler side over here and the scoop behind your head. So let me show you this tuner. This is the Dynojet Tuner. It has I'll try to do this with one hand here. It has several pages that you can monitor gauges yourself if you want. You can scroll through. Here's the engine temperature, throttle position. So you could mount this up somewhere and have your own set of gauges for whatever, you know, if you want to monitor something. Let's see. If you want to like data log something, you just push this middle button. And I'm not going to push it because I don't want to delete it. But you push this middle button, it'll start recording everything that's going on with your machine. You push it again, it'll stop recording. So you having any kind of problems, like, I don't know, your machine's not running right or whatever, you data log it, send it to John via email, and then he could, I don't know, you know, he can look at what your problem is and very well may send you another tune right there. And I was talking to him about it, and there's a lot of stuff this thing can do I don't think people realize. For instance, say you're out trail riding and something goes wrong with your machine. You data log it, you can't figure it out. Well, if you've got a mobile hotspot on your phone and a computer, you can email him the data log, have him look at it. If there's something that needs changed or something that needs fixed with the tuning, maybe, I don't know, something happened, he could email you back a tune. You download it right to this, plug this into your computer, download it, plug this into your machine over here in the glove box, and boom, you're back on the trail again. Do that basically in the campground. So that's pretty awesome. And here's all the different stuff, like, let's see, vehicle tools. Click on that. You can do diagnostics, delete logs, vehicle info. It's got your VIN and everything in there. Here's your flash tune. Now, these are all the tunes that I have. So it's just super easy to use. I mean, doesn't get much better. Plus, then you get a tool, this, to keep for you. You can Whoop. Let's see. You can go in and clear check engine lights, check and see what check engine lights you have, all kinds of stuff. So it's a pretty versatile thing to have, and you know, Whalen's support is pretty awesome. I mean, that dude gets back to me almost instantly whenever I have any questions about any of his stuff. I mean, I've been going back and forth with him for a while now, and you know, today I took it out and drove it, and the thing's a freaking animal. Considering what the kit consists of, you know, tune, intake, catch can, no cat delete, no exhaust needed, don't have to mess with the wastegate actuator, none of that crap. And you're picking up like 40 horsepower. So, man, it's an animal. It rips. And it was super easy to put on. The software on the Dynojet, super easy to use. So, I'm going to put a link to his website in the description. You guys want to check it out. I know people have been asking about it a lot, and hopefully this video will show you guys some of the stuff I did, some of the stuff he can do, and we got a ride coming up next weekend, so keep an eye out for that video. We might be able to run this against a bone stock 154 horsepower X3 that's got the same tires and everything as mine, so we'll get a comparison video up soon. So, all right, later.